What's up guys, how's it going? MikeTheTech here, and I was planning on releasing a video explaining how I have my monitor and desktop set up. You know, normally you could move your mouse between screens, and that's not anything fancy, that's just a multi-monitor desktop. But if you look close, on this screen, we're actually on my desktop PC, and on this screen, we're running my laptop. But because that workstation setup is coming a little slower than I thought, I wanted to release the important part of information, which was how to get your mouse to be able to be controlled across two different computers. So we know how to set up the multi-monitor setup, but how can we get your mouse to work across two computers as if they were running on the same machine? So here's how we do that. What we need to do is download a program called Input Director. Let me drag it over. That's the thing about having multiple windows. You never know where they're going to pop up. You need to install Input Director, and I'll put a link to in the description to this below. And you need to enable it as a master on one and as a slave on the other computer. So your main computer is going to be the master, the main is going to be the slave. But before you do that, you want to enable security options to ensure you can connect and so that others can't connect. So you're going to want to take note of your host name on both the master and the slave computer, and then you're just going to configure them. So under master configuration, let's go all the way to the top. Under master configuration, you're going to click on add under slave systems and add in that host name of your slave computer. And then on your slave computer, you're going to click on add and add the host name of your master computer. This is going to enable them to connect to each other and allow the program to work the way it's supposed to. So it basically turns off your mouse when it's on one machine and turns it back on the other, back and forth. So that's basically it. Once you add the host names on the master and on the slave computer, you just go over here and enable as master. And then on the other computer, you enable it as a slave, and then it'll work just as it should. The only other configuration you may want to do is choose where your monitor is. So my slave computer is to the left of my monitors, so when I drag my mouse off my left to the left of the screen, it will move to that computer. If it's to your right, you're just going to want to drag this to the right side. Pretty straightforward. If you have any questions regarding getting the setup working, please let me know in the comment section below. And again, I have the full video coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Peace.